Good evening, friends. In this video, we will discuss Nifty and Bank Nifty view, and more importantly, the usage of straddle charts. So, what this week the straddle charts are indicating. So, now looking at the Nifty chart, the resistance remains the same, which is around 19,650 to 19,750 approximately. And on the downside, we have a near-term support at 19,200 to 250, but this is a very feeble support. So the stronger support comes around 18,900. So in the last video also we have discussed there is a lot of writing in 19,000 put in weekly as well as monthly contract, which was August 31 contract and also September 28 now. So the range we are getting on the downside is 18,850 to 900 is going to be the strong support as per the monthly data. This was the view till last week. Now, as per the chart, it is indicating 18,900 on the downside and on the upside 19,640 to 750 was the resistance zone. Now, if you check the option datas, so in Nifty, what's happened is, especially in September contract, that is monthly contract. So for a slightly longer term view, you can see 19,000 was the option, put option, which we are discussing last week. So in this week, there is some addition, significant addition in 18,500 puts, which means they are expecting the market to go below 19,000. And this was also last week, this also having a lot of short position. This week that remains the same. So in any case, we are expecting the fall of 200 to 300 points on the downside due to the negative news. And on the downside, they have opened it up to 18,500. The premium is very less, so that's not an issue. So this is the case of Nifty. So it is very weak when compared to Bank Nifty because it has broken the previous swing lows, but Bank Nifty haven't done that so far. So what we can anticipate is we can expect the Nifty to slide towards the supports and then settle there for a while and then take a upward. Because in Friday Jackson Hole meeting, the Fed Reserve Chairman also indicated to control inflation, we will be increasing the rate hike. So Indian banks, the Reserve Bank also expected to increase the rate hike due to high food inflation, especially. So the data which was released last week was indicating the same. So we should be prepared for that. But in case we get any strong up move, we will see a huge short covering rally, which will also be updated during market hours in our Telegram group. You can see this Wednesday up move was captured by us well in advance, and we also notified this in our Telegram group. So the link of the Telegram group is also given in the comment section. You can also join if you are interested. Now the next one is Bank Nifty. So before going to Bank Nifty, in Nifty, the weekly contract, that is August 31. A lot of activity was happening on 24th. So the activity was happening around 19,500 strike price, which was having a lot of activity. So if you take the break-even points of this, the upper end was 19,714.4. So which was mentioned here at the blue line, and the downside was 19,285.6. We have broken it immediately. So we can expect some action this week on the downside. But we always be prepared for a reversal trade because that is where the maximum profit can be made. Now going to the Bank Nifty, you can see the range is upper end is 4,500, the downside is 43,750, the broad range. So this is what we are saying. Bank Nifty has not broken the previous swing low, which means it is relatively strong when compared to Nifty. But if we broke this 43,750 and the next level of support comes around here, which is 43,400. So this is going to be the next support in Bank Nifty. So we'll wait and watch this week. So as of now, the anticipation is both the indices are expected to come down, but always we will be prepared for the up move also. So looking at the option data in Bank Nifty, first we'll go through the September contract. So here, a lot of activity was seen on 44,000 contracts. So they are expecting a range on the downside to fall below only 44,000 by 500 points, and also on the upside 45,000. The rise above 45,000 for 400 or 500 points. So the broader range is 43,500 to 45,500 in the monthly contract. So looking at the weekly contract, here also the activity was much on 24th to 25. There was no great straddles, but there was triangle positions being created. So in this 24th August, 44,500 was seeing a lot of activity. So the break-even points were around 45,050 and 43,950. So this we can see in the blue line. So this is also matching. So we are expected to break this very soon and slide towards the support zone. Or if you are going to recover, which is very less, the chances of recovery is very less, but we'll always be prepared to take the recovery trade, the pullback trade, the short covering trade, because last week we have made around 100% ROI. So we'll always be prepared for that. As of now, the view is on the downside. So whenever the market reverses or even on the downside, if you are going to get any trading opportunity, we will be updating it in the Telegram group. And if anyone is having doubts on this also, they can ask through the Telegram group. And more importantly, in Nifty Straddle, 18,000 straddle, you can see 1,450 or 500 was acting as a support for the last few days, but it has given up. So all these factors are indicating a move towards the downside. So this is very, very important. This 18,000 straddle. If anyone is having any doubts, they can ask in the comment section, or also they can ask through the Telegram group, or also they can ask through the WhatsApp number. Thank you.